Hi, and welcome back to EdisonOS. Today, we're going to answer an important question. Can I provide extra time for my students during an assessment? This feature is especially helpful for students who need additional time to complete their tests, ensuring that everyone has the chance to perform at their best. Sometimes, students may need extra time for various reasons. So, how do we set this up in EdisonOS to give students the flexibility they need? First, head over to your assessment settings. Once you're there, you'll see the option to toggle on Time Accommodation. Then click Update Assessment to save your changes. Now, when you're setting up the assessment, users will have the ability to increase both the section time and the break time. This means you can give students more time to finish the test, as well as additional time for breaks if needed. Students can choose the extra time they need based on their individual requirement. The option they select will appear on their summary page. Here's an example of what can be seen. The extra time they've chosen will be clearly shown on their results page, so everyone knows the adjustment was made. As always, if you have any questions, head to our Help Center or contact us for more resources. Happy teaching with EdisonOS! We're here to help you help your students.